Hey guys, Corey Arnold out here at Toyota Beasley. Look, okay, all right, I know the used car department beat us to a video today on their Norris-built lifted trucks, but guess what? Hey, mine are absolutely brand hammer new, as they say, brand new. 2025 Toyota Tundra. So guess what that means? That means, hey, this is a deal, okay? So not only have we put a lift kit on it, it's a 2025. So we've got Toyotathon going on. So guess what is going to be a fantastic deal? That truck right there is going to be a deal. But we have dressed this truck up. So 2025 Toyota Tundra. This particular one is a limited model. So we've got the big screen. We've got the soft tech on the inside. And we have dressed this up. Let's talk about what we did. First of all, we've been doing this a lot lately, putting that black roof up top. So it looks like that the roof is actually floating that we've got. We go from what we call the A pillar, all right, up top, black right there. B pillar is already black, and then all the way back to that C pillar, dressing that up. I like how we then turned around, blacked out that badge, blacked out Tundra there on the side, okay? Then the actual Predator running boards. Predator running boards seem to look the best with the lift kit. Sometimes you see people say they're not as practical, but they just really, really look good. This particular one even has a bed cover on the back. All right, so remember, this is a TRD off-road. So what that means is we have got a rear locking differential as well as crawl control standard on this particular vehicle. So if you did have to get out in the woods, this would be the one to do it. Let's talk about the lift kit. So a lift kit on this vehicle. All right, so we actually do a 2.5-inch lift kit in the front, 1.5 in the back that we've got back there to level that vehicle out. You know what? I may have that backwards. I don't know which one. But anyway, so got a lift kit on this vehicle. We added, of course, this alloy wheel. This is not a Toyota wheel. Look at this right here. So we have got a kind of a flat black on the outside with actually a little design inside that vehicle. That's a good-looking wheel and tire, all right, on a lift kit that we've got available now at Toyota Beasley, brand new 2025 Toyota Tundra, limited four-wheel drive with a TRD off-road package. Folks, come see us at Toyota Beasley so you can take it out, drive it, all right? That open country is a good riding tire, so it'll be, I don't want you to think that this thing is going to beat you to death going down the road. It really rides good. Come see us at Toyota Beasley. Have a great day.